Hello guys, so I'm going to go ahead and be reviewing XXC Polygel Glow in the Dark kit. So I am going to go ahead and be using this brush here. It includes the spatula on one end and it includes the brush on the other end. It is an oval number 6 and overall this brush is really good. So definitely recommend you guys to get this brush. Also, I will be using 𝚐𝚐 here, that it's like 90% 𝚐𝚐 I believe, as my slip solution. So overall, this polygel kit was very easy to use. The polygel is not runny at all and it's non-sticky. And as you guys can tell, pretty much anybody can do polygel at this point. But this polygel, I believe it's way easier than what I was starting with at first. I started off with this other polygel kit. I'm not going to say the brand or anything. But it was just so runny, so sticky. It was just very hard to work with. Even now that I pretty much know how to work with polygel, acrylic, and other gel and other stuff like that, I still feel like that polygel was just not it for me. But overall, this polygel here is very easy to work with. It is not runny, it's not sticky, it doesn't stick to your brush, and it also cures very quick. You only need 60 seconds. And that also, a little side note, a little goes a long way with this polygel. At the beginning, I used a lot on this nail, which was the French V-tip, and overall it was very bulky, so I had to go ahead and use my drill. I normally don't really use my drill, but when I do, it's because I have a lot of bulk or something like that. It's very thick, and that's what I ended up learning across while using this polygel kit, was that a little goes a long way. So trust me, 30 grams is enough to at least do 5 sets.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street. It stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. she got a family of her own. It's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like you